Hello, welcome back to the Stepping Bricks YouTube channel. Today we are in a property we are currently refurbishing, so the project is not finished yet, but this is called Project 50 Shades. This project is a beautiful project. Now, it wasn't so beautiful when we took the property. This is for a client, so we are refurbishing, we're project managing the full refurbishment for a client, and the status of this property was quite down. So it was a rundown properties. The price as well was good, and the uplifting value was okay, but the rental income is quite good. Now I'm going to give you the figures in a second. Okay, so I'm going to do a walkthrough. Bear in mind the project is not finished yet, but we're almost there. I'm going to show you how it was before as well. So this property, we bought it for £59,000. So it's a 2-bedroom flat, freehold in central Scotland. £59,000 is a great price to buy a property. The refurb project, more or less, is going to cost around £18,000. And the uplifting value, we're talking around £90,000 done up value, so the final value. So it's not a great uplift, but what it counts here is the steady cash flow. Cash flow, we're talking about £700 per month. Remember, it's a 2-bedroom flat, you pay £59,000, you spend around £18,000 in refurb, and you get in this constant income of £700 per month. How do we know this? Well, we have another 8 properties in the same street. So estate agents selling me these properties here actually make a joke, says we should change the name of the street to Giuseppe's Way. Now, jokes aside, we know the area very well, we know the market very well, we know we can rent the properties all day long. As soon as you provide beautiful standards to the tenants, then there is a queue for viewing the property. So generally when we advertise these kind of properties, we get around 40-50 viewing requests within 24-48 hours. Okay, in 2 days we get like a lot of viewing requests. Obviously we don't do all the viewings, we do a proper screening, and then we only show the property to about 5 to 6 people, and we rent it straight away, same day. So I'm going to show you the rest of the property. As you can see, we changed everything, we replastered everything here. We did all the new doors, new handles, all the spotlights, and then the kitchen, bathroom, flooring, painting, decorating, basically every new radiators, new boiler, and I'm going to show you step by step. So bedroom 1, if you follow me. Bedroom 1, nice double size bedroom, so it's quite spacious. All these ex-local authority flats, some people are scared about this, but I love them because they're quite spacious and they're nice buildings, sturdy. And you get a cupboard there, and then a private garden on the back, a private garden on the front, and then a small communal with the rest of the block. Then, if you follow me here, we have the living room. Again, it's quite nice, bright and spacious. We still have mess around because we are finish off the last bits. I think 1 more week and then this is ready to be rented. So if you look around, there's quite a big space for a living room. You can put a nice television there on the wall, and nice sofa here, etc. The second bedroom is this one, slightly smaller than the other one, but again with a built-in wardrobe, small wardrobe, but still quite enough for the room to put a double bed. And remember, you're charging £700 per month, but if you have a family of 4, which can easily live in this kind of properties, then it's an affordable rent, so it's not a crazy rent. Likewise, if there are 2 friends, maybe university students, or a couple with a small kid, so this is a good space. And the fact is you don't have neighbors on one side, but only on one of the 2 sides, makes it more livable. And because the properties are nice and big thick walls, you don't hear too much of the noise from the neighbors around. So if we go on the other side, I'm going to show you very briefly the bathroom and the kitchen. So this is the hall. You have another cupboard here, and the bathroom, which is not finished yet, but you're very welcome to go and have a look around. All wet walled, These are some tips for when you do a refurb project. Now, some people prefer the tiles, some people prefer the wet walls. The good thing about the wet walls is the grouts don't get moldy at all. So in rental properties, most of the times you have this issue that the bathroom, the tenants don't open the window. I wouldn't generalize, but some people don't open the window. So when they have a shower, they take a shower, then it becomes very humid and moldy. With the wet walls, you don't have any grouts, so there's no risk of mold there. Likewise, for the ceiling, we do UPVC ceiling. So again, no problems at all about mold ever again. Okay. In this case, we have a nice bath. It's all nice and modern. For the kitchen, exactly the same. We have a nice modern kitchen that we have completely refurbished. You can still see actually here, there is still some of the new plaster that we did. So it is being painted at the moment. So there's still some wet stuff here we're leaving until it's completely dry. Otherwise the paint will peel off. So it's better to let it dry completely, and then you can paint it with primer first and then with emulsion matte after. So kitchen, brand new kitchen. This is a Luna grey matte style from Magnet. We bought it through the LNPG, the Landlord National Purchasing Group. Again, they negotiate the price for you, for landlords, and you get great deals for good quality kitchens. Absolutely. Now it's all messy around here and dusty, but don't worry, we're going to shoot another video next time when it's completed and when it's ready to be rented, as well with all the carpet, the vinyl, all the flooring, etc. So all in all, again, new boiler. I like this kind of combination, but you can choose whatever color you want. I like the white marble with the gray gloss cabinets. You know, this is a Luna range. But again, you can choose whatever you want. I like the fact that it doesn't have any handles. So again, you have less work for the joiner, and it looks more modern, nice and sleek. Also for cleaning, you know, you don't have all these fingerprints all over the place. All in all, this project was a great project. It went slightly over the original budget, which was around 17,000. We're talking about 18, probably 19 all in all, because we had to replaster everything after we removed the wallpaper. So the quality of the previous plaster was absolutely rubbish. You know, it could crumble in your fingers, so you could see there was not good quality. So what we did this time, we put good quality plaster all across, all over the place. So just to remind you of the figures, client bought it for £59,000. We sourced this property. Okay, so Golden Tree Estates, we sourced this property for the client who already bought another property with us, and is already being rented for more than 2 years actually with the same tenant. And then the refurb, more or less, we're talking about £18,000, the rent 700, uplift in value, we're talking about 90 final value. So once it's remortgaged, the client can pull out some equity of the property, and they can reinvest in the next project. All in all, I think this is a great project specifically for the rent. If you like the idea of having more stable income, more projects like that, get in touch. We source only properties that we will buy ourselves. We don't source properties that are not good deals. We do the due diligence. I personally come here and view the property the first time, and then as well during the project. So I feel personally responsible, because these are projects that treat as if they were my own projects. So that gives you a stamp of guarantee that the deals are good deals. Okay, forget about the 25% below market value. If you're looking at the current market, these are more difficult deals to secure unless you are securing these deals on your own off market with direct to vendor marketing. It's still possible. I'm not saying it's not possible, but it's a lot harder on the open market to find deals that are 25% below market value. But still, 59,000 with the done up value of 90 is still a great deal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to know more about this, if you want to learn about refurbishment projects and how to manage them, feel free to get in touch. I'm always open for a chat, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.